Alright, so here are the tracks. Got some Apache 360 LTs by Can-Am. These are made for the Defender or the Commander. This is the right rear, and this would be the left front. Bunch of snow on there. The dealership left them outside. Last night we got a little bit of snow. No big deal. Already broke in. So, cool feature here. You can see, zoom in there. Depending on the snow that you're in, you can rotate that front bogey up or down for deep snow, soft snow, hard snow, or dirt, mud, whatever. It's got it on the rear too. There. Yeah, these things are monsters. I thought they would be big, but I didn't think they would be that big. I mean, there's some serious meat on them too. I mean, just if you put the front and the rear together, I mean, that's like that's more than one snowmobile track. So I should have no problem getting through the snow. Cool stuff. Too bad it's going to be like 45 below tomorrow. Wind chill. That'll be fun with bare hands on metal. Yep, really looking forward to it. So the track system also requires that you have this air pre-filter adapter. Just looks like a wire mesh filter that fits over the air intake to prevent snow and mud from getting into the system as the tracks kick up a lot more snow depending on how fast you go. Also comes with the DPS module. The DPS is their dynamic power steering. What this does, it gives you 3 modes to strengthen or weaken your power steering for the tracks, depending on how much assistance you need for that. I don't know what the default for Can-Am is, but for the wheels, but I'm assuming for the tracks you need more power on the power steering system. There's also a Cvt Relocation Kit, which puts the Cvt air intake behind the driver's seat. It was on back order, so I'm waiting for that to come in. I guess that's required for the to make the warranty valid, so that snow and air does not kick up into the air intake for the snow and mud doesn't kick up into the air intake for the transmission. And here's another close up on the tracks here. And on the back side. Back side of the front. Cool stuff. Here's the mounting kit hardware that came with the tracks. I'll open this up and see what's all in there. Okay, looks like we got a user guide, which is good. Tell us how to use these things. Of course, one's in French and one's in English. There's the French version. Be a challenge just to install via French, just for fun. Here's the checklist. Oh, it must be a receiving checklist. Instructions apparently are online. Go to the European time. So we got all kinds of fun stuff here. Oh boy. Let's open up these boxes. This first box here looks like we got our mounting plates. Top and bottom. Each side of the vehicle. And here looks like we have all the hardware. They labeled it. Hardware in here. Assembly, pre-assembly. Night. Get those put together tonight. In this long box looks like we got all of our anti-rotation mounts here. There's 4 of them in there. I had to laugh when I opened this because there's nothing in it. I think it was just a spacer box. I'm assuming that's what these two are too. No, it's totally empty. That's funny. So I'm not going to put the tracks on tonight. I have to go through the instructions and make sure I have all the right tools and the do some pre-assembly, read the instructions. I also only have about an hour of daylight left, which is a bummer because tomorrow is supposed to be high of like 12 below. It's supposed to be 25 below or something tonight. It's going to be cold all week. I wish I could have done this today. Unfortunately, I was dealing with computer issues, so I wasn't able to import photos, and Lightroom is locking up both of my computers, so having an issue with Adobe Lightroom for my photography business. But yeah, so I think maybe tomorrow during midday, if it's not too windy, I might get my hands cold and set up some video and put the tracks on. So we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.